On March 31st, 2000, there was a volcano that erupted not that far away from this kindergarten, and 16,000 residents had to evacuate the area so that way they could survive. They abandoned the school, they abandoned a lot of places around here, and they just left it all. What's crazy is they even abandoned like their school buses here that they would have used to transport the kids from the kindergarten from here to all their houses. And so it's crazy and it's sad at the same time. But yeah, so I'm going to tour around the school here, show you these old school buses, and yeah, just show you what I can. So literally standing next to one of the old school buses here, and it's definitely been trashed and filled with random junk over basically the last 20 years. But the fact that it's still here, kind of just sitting here, is crazy to me. So it looks like nature is definitely taking over inside the school now. Lots of trees and bushes are growing inside. So I don't know what's left, but we'll tour around and see what's going on. There's another bus over there. Look at this old kind of caution sign. Like, basically telling other drivers, like, hey, there's kids on this bus, be careful when we let them out. That is just mind-boggling. Yeah, as you guys can see inside there is literally a jungle growing inside. Now, I don't know 100% what damage was caused by the volcano. I did hear that the school did suffer a lot of damage from the volcano when it erupted. And what's even more scary is the fact that there were huge boulders that were basically like kind of flung or launched when the volcano erupted, and I think some hit the school here. So it's a very good thing that residents evacuated. Like I said, 16,000 people had to leave here because of that. Alright guys, so I'm inside the school here, the kindergarten, and this looks like it was the stage. It's so hard to tell though because it's so overgrown. But it's, like I said, it's a jungle in here, and the floors are so squishy just from over time. Here we go, guys. Here is a sign. I didn't even think about looking at it. This talks all about it, obviously, but this goes to show this is where all the rocks from the volcano hit. It has a picture right after it. All those giant holes on the roof were from falling rocks from the volcano. Numerous holes on the roof and many rocks in the surrounding area. It was just before the entrance something for the new year. You can still distinguish some rocks as it was landed here. So in other words, look, you can see there's tons of huge boulders that flew over here, and many hit the school here. So if they didn't evacuate this school and the surrounding areas, people would have obviously died from all these huge boulders flying everywhere. It's crazy. And this is only 600 meters from where the volcano is, so we're not that far. So here's the school. This is where I am, and right there is the crater, the volcano. So yeah, that basically means the volcano is, according to the map, it's right back there, somewhere over there. Guys, this looks like it was some sort of kind of mini jungle gym kind of thing. There's like ropes going across, so maybe they, I don't know, it looks like they could have like climbed across maybe by rope. But yeah, so far the entire school looks like it's pretty in rough shape inside. This looks like it was some more play equipment. And here's the second school bus, guys, that is left here. There's even like a soccer ball left. A couple soccer balls. And I don't know, almost looks like a cart or a stroller. There's a little pool here. I'm thinking this was just like kind of a mini pond. I don't think this was meant for like the kids to go swimming. I don't think. It looks way too small. Although these were kindergartners, so they weren't that big to begin with. But there's like a slide over there. Like they probably went down. Yeah, guys, as you can see, we're surrounded by the mountains, and there's the school down there in front of us. Yeah, guys, here's a slide that the kindergartners would have gone down, which honestly is a huge slide. I'm actually surprised that kindergartners would go down that, but it was built for them. Anyway, guys, I don't have much time here because I have to catch a ferry, and I need to see some other places around Japan. But this was just a stop I had to make. I just feel like the history was so important and so tragic that I just had to come here. Thankfully, no one died, so I guess I don't know. In the scheme of things, it's probably not as tragic as obviously other events that have killed people, but just the fact that all these people had to leave, 16,000 people had to leave. The school got abandoned. All these kids had to get up and go with their families somewhere else. It's definitely sad, and I think you guys can see that. Alright, guys, so this is the inside. I literally can't walk anywhere because the floors are so bad, but you can see there's some tables and desks there. That's one of the classrooms where the kids would have been at. And there's even like an old printer is sitting there left behind. But yeah, guys, this place is, as you can see, it's bad. 20 years of just sitting neglected, and of course all the damage from the volcano. Alright, guys, here's some casualty of of walking inside there. Not too bad, a little gash there. And for some reason that doesn't want to focus. A little bit on my wrist. My elbow, I wrapped it up. My elbow got a little bit worse than both of the other cuts, but I think it's fine. I'm just gonna band-aid it up. But, yep, thanks for watching, guys.